Good morning, Year 8. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day. So, please could you write your date and the title of Barracuda breakfast. For your do now, I'd like you to do a brain dump or mind map or a list of everything you remember about Barracuda breakfast. So please pause the recording and spend 5 minutes doing that. So now I'd like you to spend 5 minutes rereading through the story to refresh your memory. Okay, next, I'd like you to imagine that you could create your own Mermaid Hotel. Before you develop your Mermaid Hotels, you need to decide on the following: the name of your hotel and the location of your hotel. So please could you pause the video for 5 minutes to do that, and I've also given you some examples. So for a name, you might want to go with Deep Sea Destiny, a location potentially the North Atlantic Ocean just south of Sicily. So take 5 minutes or so to decide on the name and the location of your hotel. Okay, so what I'd like you to do next is to create individual mind maps for each of the following categories: the appearance of your hotel, and in addition, sketch it out if it helps you plan, the activities on offer, the food, and the overall experience. So you have 10 minutes to do this. I want to reiterate, they should be individual mind maps and they should have as much detail as you can possibly manage. So please make sure you write down as much as you can in this planning stage. So please pause the video now. Okay, so now it's time to create your hotels. Now that you have a rough idea or plan of what a night in your Mermaid Hotel would be like, I would like you to spend about 15 minutes writing a descriptive paragraph about your hotel. Your work should contain a range of sentence structures, figurative language, so by that I mean similes, metaphors, and personification, impressive vocabulary, so really challenge yourself with the words you use. Don't use nice, use extraordinary or fantastic, be a bit more ambitious in word choices, and a range of punctuation. So not just full stops and commas, those are boring, you're better than that. Use things like semicolons, colons, dashes, brackets. Just make it a bit more varied and interesting. So please pause the video for 15 minutes in order to write your description. So I've written for you an example paragraph. So I'm going to read it through, and whilst I'm reading it, I'm going to analyse it for you. So, Deep Sea Destiny, the experience of a lifetime. So this is quite a catchy way to start, and it also uses sophisticated punctuation with the dash. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill establishment. This is a one-of-a-kind, recently built Mermaid Hotel. So you've got a semicolon there. Unique, unforgettable, extraordinary. So you've got a tricolon because you've got 3 sentences. They're also 3 one-word sentences, therefore demonstrating a variety of sentence structure. Delve into the sparkling waters of the Atlantic Ocean, as clear as a mirror, as clean as a whistle. So you've got an imperative, delve, instructing the reader to do something. And then you've also got 2 similes, as clear as a mirror and clean as a whistle. So again, creating this really detailed image in the mind of the reader. Relish the top quality service, so another imperative there. The best of any hotel, and we've got a dash as well for sophisticated punctuation. Explore the vast game rooms, array of dining rooms, and luxurious suites. You won't be disappointed. So we've got a tricolon, vast game rooms, array of dining rooms, and luxurious suites. There are also numerous aqua-themed activities for you to get involved with. And then we've got a colon, which is going to introduce a list. Dance with the dolphins, alliteration there. Travel with the turtles, and float awestruck through the stunning coral reefs. So travel with the turtles is another use of alliteration. Regarded as some of the most beautiful in the world. So you've got an exclamatory sentence. So don't delay, book a room today. say a little bit of rhyming, an internal rhyme there. Its aquatic arms, alliteration, are just waiting to welcome you to the best holiday of your life. So aquatic arms, alliteration, and also personification, giving human characteristics to something that isn't human, waiting to welcome, alliteration, and best holiday of your life. You may remember the technique hyperbole. We're using exaggeration for effect to sell the hotel. So that is my example paragraph. So what I'd like to do now is to review your own example paragraph and think about any ways you could improve it. Okay, so finally, hotels often have attractive leaflets setting out the key reasons to visit them, and what I would like you to do is design your own leaflet for your hotel in your book. So I've given you an example. So first I'd like you to read through the leaflet on the slide, consider the headings, subheadings, the pictures, the layout, and how it's effective. And after you've done that, I would like you to design your own. There's no need to draw the pictures in detail, just label what pictures you want where. So please pause the video for 15 minutes in order to do this. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Thank you very much for all your hard work. Don't forget to send me photos if you would like an achievement point. And that's all for today, so thank you very much and see you next time.